Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this 196-piece art kit. This thing has got everything. It would make a great gift for any little artist that's out there. So in the kit, it opens right up, and I mean, it has so many different things from canvas to sponges. You've got coloring books, sketchbooks, acrylic pads, watercolor pads. Every different kind of book is all in here. Got your sketchbook here, but here is an actual case that has all of your colors and paints and everything. So I'm gonna bring you in here close and we're gonna get this opened up and take a good look at it. So here this is up close. You have all these different pads that you can use for different types of art media. You've got a coloring book here, which is what my son wants to use. You've got your paint easel. Now, this is a nice wooden case that opens up and you have all of your, you've got colored pencils, you've got your sandblock, wooden case, crayons, watercolor paints, everything. So many different things. So he's gonna pick out a few things. So on the top here, we have all of our pencils. And then you have all of your oil pastels here along with your watercolors. And each one of these all come out nice. So you don't have to leave them all in the box if you don't want to. It does have 2 drawers that holds all of your extra things. This one has all of your acrylic paints and some extra paintbrushes that have really nice soft bristles on them. The drawers do come all the way out and easily slide back in. Then you've got your next drawer that has their 60 crayons in here. And these are really nice smooth crayons. So what he's decided to use for his art over here is the crayons and some colored pencils. And this is working really well. It's a nice way to keep all of your art stuff organized and nice. And like I said, it'd make a great gift for any holiday.